Installation. Connecting systems with drinking water faucet. Step 1. Shut off the water supply valve. Turn on the drinking water faucet to release pressure inside the system. Shut the water tank and unplug the power of the system, if applicable. Step 2. Locate the filtered water line from your water filtration system, usually a 1/4-inch tubing that connects to the drinking water faucet. Cut the tubing and install the Quick Connect T-fitting. Step 3. Insert the included tubing into the T-fitting. Measure and cut the length needed to connect the tubing to the refrigerator, ensuring you leave enough tubing length for future maintenance. Step 4. Install the Quick Connect Inline shutoff valve to the tubing. This valve controls the water flow from the water filtration system to the refrigerator. Ensure the valve is installed in an easily accessible section. Step 5. Identify the water inlet on the back of the refrigerator and shut off the water valve that connects to it. Step 6. Remove the existing fitting from the back of the refrigerator and replace it with the included Quick Connect fitting or compression fitting. Connect the tubing to it. Please ensure all tubing is inserted 1/2 inch deep into the fittings, and insert locking clips to secure all connectors. Step 7. Turn on the water supply valve to the water filtration system and the inline valve to the refrigerator. Turn on the water tank and plug in the power to the system, if applicable. Ensure there are no leaks in any connections. The installation is now complete. Installation. Connecting inline water filter to the refrigerator. Step 1. Identify the water inlet on the back of the refrigerator and shut off the water valve that connects to it. Step 2. Measure and cut the water inlet tubing. Connect the tubing from the water valve to the inline filter's water inlet port. Step 3. Cut a piece of the included tubing. Connect the tubing to the inline filter's water outlet port and connect the other end to the T-fitting. Step 4. Connect the tubing from the back of the refrigerator to the T-fitting. Step 5. Connect another piece of the included tubing for draining filter flush water. Connect this tubing to the T-fitting and install the included inline valve on the other end. Ensure the valve is closed. All tubing is inserted 1/2 inch deep into the fittings, and all connectors are secured with locking clips. Step 6. Turn on the water supply valve to the water filtration system and ensure there are no leaks in any connections. Use the inline valve to drain flush water each time the filter is replaced. The installation is now complete, and you can enjoy refreshing cool water and crystal clear ice from the refrigerator. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you.